It's raining right now, so that's what this song's about. If you got the Just Comes Natural record, you'll hear this song on that record. Baby, what do you say when love comes down on you? Stars are raining the blues on you, like it's never gonna end on you. And all your dreams like leaves in the gutter go floating by. No, baby, I don't know why all God's children cry. I miss your skin, as golden as your wheat field hair. And where you go, I hope you find out there a better rain, the kind that comes in off the coast and paints the sky. Let you know that God's alive, a better rain that'll wash me from your eyes so you can smile again and be all right again in a better rain. Someday's gonna find you in a sweeter place, long after time has erased all the words like a razor blades. And you remember you and me before the flood, once upon a time in love, a beautiful us. And I can see you on some stretch of sand, spinning round in circles, barefoot dancing in a better rain, the kind that leaves behind a rainbow in the sky, and let you know that God's alive, a better rain that'll wash me from your eyes so you can smile again, be all right again in a better rain. In a better rain. A better rain, the kind that leaves behind a rainbow in the sky. Let you know that God's alive, a better rain that'll wash me from your eyes so you can smile again and be all right again in a better rain. Yeah. Woo-hoo. In a better rain. In a better rain. I wish we'd have a better rain right now. We're going to hold off a second and see if some of this stuff stops. You want to keep rolling.